Alright, welcome back to the channel, and today it's going to be a very short one, and we're going to have a look at route namespacing. So let's dive into it and tag along. Alright, so we have our previously developed little app with our books and so on, but when we have a look at our routes folder with our web.php file, you can see here that we have not much, but we have our authentication routes and so on. Then we have our home route, and then we have a resource route for books, which includes the resource functions like index, store, show, delete, and so on. Alright, so I find it very annoying that we have this prefix of app HTTP controllers in front of every controller in this file. Just imagine you have more than 100 routes in here. This is nice. So there is a possibility to add that that namespace. It's actually a prefix of the namespace where the controllers are located. To add that to your route resources. Sorry, your route service providers. Sorry. So in app providers, and we have route service provider. Just right in here, we're going to create a new protected variable. So protected namespace. And actually the namespace is a string. And therefore we have to write 2 backslashes because 1 backslash isn't, you know why. So app HTTP and controllers. That's it. And we have to include it into our routes middleware prefix group and our boot of our routes. So for the API, we're going to have a namespace, and it's actually this namespace because we named it namespace. The namespace is this namespace, and this isn't going to work because it's not namespace, it's namespace. And just going to copy this right in here. There we go. So now the namespace for the web routes will be taken into account. This actually means that this will still work, but it will also work if we remove it. Just like that. And that looks a lot cleaner in this file, and I really like working in that way. So to prove it to you, I refresh this page. There we go. It still works. So if I go to the home page, it still works. If I go again to the books, it still works. So okay, so that was it. It, as promised, a very short one. And well, I keep repeating myself about this like and subscribe thing, but it really helps. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.